Our new topic is ordinary differential equation. In this video, we will learn what is ordinary differential equation, what are the types of ordinary differential equation, about order and degree of ordinary differential equation, and how we form the differential equation. Let's start with the definition. An equation which has differential coefficient is called differential equation. For example, dy by dx equal to 1 plus x square upon 1 minus y square is differential equation. d2y by dx square minus 2dy by dx minus 8y equal to 0 is also differential equation. 1 plus dy by dx whole square raised to the power 3 by 2 equal to k. d2y by dx square is also differential equation. And x del u by del x plus y del u upon del y equals to nu is also an example of differential equation. The differential equation are of two types. First is ordinary differential equation. A differential equation involving derivative with respect to single independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. For example, let dy by dx equal to 1 plus x square upon 1 minus y square. We see in this example that y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So here we have single independent variable and single dependent variable. So such type of differential equation is known as ordinary differential equation. Now move to partial differential equation. A differential equation which has partial derivative with respect to more than one independent variable is called partial differential equation. For example, x del u by del x plus y del u by del y, that is equal to nu. Here we see u is dependent variable and x and y are independent variables, and del u by del x is known as partial derivative with respect to x, and del u upon del y is partial derivative with respect to y. So such type of differential equation is partial differential equation. Now order and degree of differential equation. The highest differential coefficient present in differential equation is known as order of differential equation, and the power of highest derivative after removing the radical sign and fraction is known as degree of ordinary differential equation. For example, L d2q upon dt square plus r dq upon dt plus q upon c equals to e sine omega t. So in this differential equation, the highest derivative is d2q upon dt square. So the order of this differential equation is 2 and the power of d2q upon dt square is 1. So the degree is 1. Similarly, in next example, cos x d2y by dx square plus sin x dy by dx whole square plus 8y equals to 10x. So here we see that the highest order derivative is 2 and the degree is 1 because the power of d2y by dx square is 1. Now the formation of differential equation. The differential equation is formed by eliminating the arbitrary constant by differentiating the ordinary equation. For example, we have a equation y equals to ax plus a square, and if we eliminate a, then we get the differential equation. So we differentiate this equation. We get dy by dx equals to a. Because the differentiation of y is dy by dx with respect to x. Differentiation of ax is a, and the differentiation of constant a square is 0. Now use the value of a dy by dx in equation number 1. We get y equals to x remains same, and a is replaced by dy by dx, plus again a is replaced by dy by dx, so we get dy upon dx whole square. So y equals to x dy by dx plus dy by dx whole square is differential equation whose order is 1 and degree is 2. Now see the another example, that is y equals to a cos x plus b sin x, and we have to form the differential equation. So how we form the differential equation? By eliminating the constants a and b. So we differentiate this equation with respect to x. We get dy by dx equals to minus a sin x, because the differentiation of cos x with respect to x is minus sin x, plus b, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So by first differentiation we get dy by dx equals to minus a sin x plus b cos x. When we differentiate again with respect to x, we get d2y by dx square minus a, differentiation of sin x is cos x, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so we get minus b sin x. Now take minus common, we get d2y by dx square equals to minus a cos x plus b sin x. Now we see that a cos x plus b sin x, that is equal to y, and we replace a cos x plus b sin x by y. So we get d2y by dx square equals to minus y, and taking y to left hand side, we get d2y by dx square plus y equals to 0 is differential equation whose order is 2 and degree is 1. So here we form the differential equation by eliminating the constant a and b. That's all.